Hey everybody, welcome to our tech. So what I've got here today is the Honeydew Travel Pillow. What I like about this is the fact that Honeydew is an American company. They are based in California and they actually make these pillows in California. So this is USA owned and USA made. So let's go ahead and open the box. Let's check out how they package this pillow, see how big it is and see just how comfortable it is. All right, so let's open this up, check it out. Now, as I mentioned before, this is their travel version. They do have other pillows that they make as well. Let's see what we got here. They got a nice thank you card from them. And here's instructions on how to maintain your pillow. This is a listing of the other different types of pillows that they have. It also tells you, oh, that's kind of nice. It's letting you know here that if it's not enough fluff, they didn't provide enough, they will actually give you more fill for free. And it's for life as well, so that's good to know. Little sticker. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so it looks like you got a pillowcase with it. Looks silver in color. Actually a nice silky type feel to it. Not sure what kind of material this is made of. It's a little informational care instructions for it. It's letting you know to go ahead and wash this on delicate or a gentle cycle and tumble dry on low or no heat and no bleach at all. It says on the first wash, this pillowcase will shrink slightly, and this is normal, and the pillowcase was made slightly larger to account for this. Let's get the pillow itself out. Here is your travel cover for it, or the travel pouch. Kind of big. So it's supposed to be travel sized. I mean, this is kind of big as it is. And when you put it in the travel pouch, and look how much bigger it's going to be once it's out of this plastic. So it will be kind of big to carry around with you. This looks like one of the straps to put around your luggage handle. It says here you can scan the code to get a warranty on this pillow. Go ahead and open this bag up. Okay, this is actually a decent sized pillow. It's a good size for a travel pillow for sure. Curious just how small you can wrap this up. Oh, so you can actually compress this to about the size that it was in the plastic, but they give you a pretty large bag, unfortunately. I wish the bag was a little bit smaller to make it more compact during your travels. This is very nice though. The material of this feels pretty good to the touch as well. Okay, so here is their zipper right here. This will allow you to add more fill or remove some fill from it. Go and open it up, getting caught on the fabric. There it goes. And you can see they used a shredded memory foam style here. Go and zip that up so I don't have foam all over the place. So apparently this shredded memory foam, the fill is actually a proprietary blend. So this material that they use in there is custom just for them. As I mentioned before, you do have the ability to remove the fill if you want it to be smaller, or you can add more fill to it in case you want it to be thicker, at which point you would just contact them and they'll send you some more fill. And as I mentioned before, this is made in the USA, and it is a family-owned business out in California. This is a really nice, soft pillow. The design of this pillow is for back and side sleepers. I'm sure there's a way you can use this for stomach sleeping if you really wanted to, but this basic design here, is for back and side sleepers though. Let's check out the pillowcase. Okay, so the pillowcase is shaped specifically for this pillow, which I guess you would have expected it to be. It does appear to be a silver or gray color. All right, so I am like pretty excited to try this pillow out. I've been looking for a travel pillow to take with me on my travels, and I'm just one of those people who can't sleep on hotel pillows. It's just way too uncomfortable for me. I think I'm just spoiled too much with my current memory foam pillow that I just can't handle regular pillows anymore. But I'm definitely looking forward to this. I'm going to be trying this out for the next couple of nights in lieu of my current pillow and just see how much I like it. That way I can also determine ahead of time if I need to remove fill for my comfort or add more fill for my comfort. That way it's already set up and ready to go for my trip when I go to Asia. If I end up liking this one, I may have to get their other pillows in their line as well. So it looks like they've got 5 different styles of pillows here. They've got a size pillow which is basically like this but larger. They've got the standard shaped pillow, just a rectangular shaped pillow, which they call their classics scrumptious pillow. They've got a body pillow as well, and then they have the Essence side pillow, which it looks like it's also shaped like this, but it is different because it doesn't look like it's got this big old gap there on it, or this little raised piece. And then of course they have this travel pillow here that you see right now. All right, I am like excited to give this sucker a try. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this thing a wash and get it prepared for tonight. Give it a try. All right, well, thank you for watching. This was the unboxing of the Honeydew Travel Pillow, which I am going to be testing out quite a bit. I'm excited to give this a try. If you guys have any questions about this pillow, please feel free to ask me down in the comments below, and I'll answer the best of my ability. Thank you again for watching. I hope you guys have a great day and y'all stay safe out there.